So here we are on our way to the world record attempt for the biggest Tesla light show. And yeah, as you can see, traffic is playing a part here. We're not even close to the airport yet because we're doing this on a landing strip. And yeah, we're not even close to it. This is Antwerp. So still have about an hour and a half to drive before I get there, but traffic, even though it's a Sunday, it's kind of busy. But yeah, we have plenty of time, and it's going to be a fun afternoon. The weather is playing along as well. It's a beautiful day today, so yeah, let's go and have some fun. So we are almost there now, and just did another launch, and it just never gets old to launch the Plaid. It's a personal roller coaster, and of course you need to do it safely and within legal speed limits, which I did, but it's always fun. Now I've got about 4 minutes to drive, so I suspect there will be more and more Teslas visible on the road right now. And then we have to go into a funnel, and it will take, I think, yeah, at least 20 minutes to half an hour maybe, to make sure that we get our proper place on the airstrip. And then it's waiting time, waiting for the light show, which will be around 7 p.m. tonight, to make sure that it's a little bit dark already at that point, to get the full effect of the light show.
Can this car follow, please?
Yes.
Oh, thank you.
Okay, driving on the airstrip. It's the first time I've ever done that. Maybe not the last time. Have some ideas. If somebody can help me rent an airstrip, I have some ideas for some great videos. Hey.
Schönes Kennzeichen.
Danke.
Nummer.
Everybody loves the Roadrunner license plate. And I'm seeing some familiar faces as well. Chris, alles goed?
Die voor u, dat is met een andere, daar zit ook een Steven in.
Ah bon, oké.
Je moet met smaak komen, zeg ik altijd. Hè?
Dat is een goede smaak alleszins.
Ja.
Kleuren, geweldig.
Zitjes.
So a lot of familiar faces today, probably. As I mentioned, anybody here who knows me, come up to me, speak to me. I'd love to meet every one of you. Because, I mean, yeah, it's because of all the people that I know and the people that are following me that this is all possible. So I'm really grateful for each and every follower.
A few moments later.
Let's see, we have a little ways to go before we get to the actual runway. Unfortunately, maximum speed on the runway is very much limited. I was hoping to maybe do like a full launch before everybody got on the runway or afterwards, but yeah, unfortunately that is not going to happen today. Let's see here, we need to get back on the road. And here is the point where usually nobody can drive, but today we are going on an airstrip. It's just so unreal. I would just need to shut down my car. Meep, it is the Roadrunner. So right now, as you can see, there are a whole lot of cars right now. And as I said, we need about 1,300 to get on the field. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 rows, 130 cars, or 130 rows of 10 wide. Yeah, I think we're close to it. I don't think I've ever seen so many Tesla cars in one place, but it's great to see so many people, so many interested people joining in this. And I've already met a couple of fans, already met a couple of new friends here as well. And right now we are going to the village over there and have some food and drinks and meet some new friends again. Currently back on the way to the car. It's time to plug in our USB drives with the light show programmed on top of it. And actually the light show has we need to schedule it for 6:40, but the light show will start after 7. But the light show actually starts before that. It has a dull moment in it where it does nothing, but it's already running. And then the marshals are going to come and check if each car has the light show programmed correctly, and then we need to go back to the driver's village and wait for the light show to start. So we just did the show start, and apparently there's some kind of countdown feature in it that is blinking everything, which is already a great sight to see so many cars doing this at the same time, which is amazing. Now we're going back to the village, and let's see if we can get some good footage of the actual light show in about half an hour.